Hello guys, this is Luma. Today I'm going to travel Korean domestic trip. I'm going to study abroad soon, so I think that I need some time to enjoy by myself. So I decided to go to travel around Korea recently. So I show you guys Korean traditional authentic cuisine and eyesight. I'm really excited that I go to travel by myself. So let's go. So now I just arrived at Jeonju and now I'm going to guest house to check in. After then I will take lunch because I didn't have a breakfast this morning. So now I'm really starving. So I will take bus to visit guest house. I was really interested because in Seoul, where I live in, it is really hard to see people pay bus fee by cash. But in Jeonju, some people pay bus fee by cash. So it reminds me of my childhood. Well, that was a great start. This room is where I will stay for tonight. This place is where I stay for tonight, and the reason why I book this house, I want to experience ancestors' lives because this house's style is traditional houses in Joseon Dynasty, so quite amazing and authentic. Now on my way to eat lunch, and I will eat 베테랑 칼국수. In English, it is 베테랑 knife noodle. And you guys are curious why the food name is knife noodles, because after they baking noodles, when they cut noodles, they usually cut by knife. This noodles is typical lunch dishes for Korean. And I usually enjoy these noodles when I drink a lot the previous night, and it's really perfect food for hangover. But I didn't drink yesterday, but I will go to eat knife noodles as a lunch. This place is where I will have a lunch, 베테랑 칼국수, and I arrived here and well. This noodle stock is so deep. It is closer to stew than stock, and noodle taste is chewy and so hot. Lastly, there are diverse seasoning, include chili powder, seaweed, egg, and so on. In addition, there is a side dish that is gaktogi, in English, radish kimchi. That is really awesome. Now let's see noodle mukbang. Oh, before see mukbang, there is a story. If you want to find good restaurants in Korea, you should eat kimchi first. If kimchi is good, almost food will be great. Now, let's see. Oh well, today's Monday, so like typically they should have a lot of people in here, but are not much people in here, so it's quite peaceful. So really great for me. I can enjoy the street without people, and there's no loud, so perfect. This house is also Korean traditional houses in Joseon Dynasty, and this house is for normal person like. Oh. Oh, it is quite a huge house. There's building, there is a building, there is a building as well. It is other entrance. I wanna go there first. Oh, wow. This place is for guests at the time, and it is so beautiful. Here is kitchen. That hole is the place where ancestors made fire to not only make meals but also heat rooms. That hole is called agungi, and big black pot is Korean traditional pot, which is called gamasot. My ancestors used that pot for making rice or stew. Oh, this is place for horse. Like when people they ride a horse, they usually parking their horse in these places. It's really interesting. Oh, there's the people who wear Korean traditional clothing. This building is container for some plate or bowl that using for Korean gesture for ancestor. You guys imagine that this building is container. All visitor wearing Korean traditional clothing, hanbok, except for me. Well, I should have better wearing Korean traditional clothing next time. Now I'm going to buy some food for my dinner, and I will buy street food on Jeonju Village. It is one of the famous way to have dinner for buy street food. So I decided to eat those kind of street food.
하나만 더 해드리면 될까요? 맛있게 드세요. 팬에 살짝 비우세요. 이거 숙소에서 드시려고 하시죠?
네.
혼자 오셨어요? 레슨 100명 하는 게 낫겠어요.
감사합니다. So now I finished to purchase whole food for dinner. You guys see that this is Korean street food. I will try it. Oh yes. In Korea, there are several kinds of soju brand in some cities. So in Jeollado, this Ipseju is representative brand of soju. I will try to drink entire kind of soju brand in Korea while I'm traveling. So let's drink. I will try beef pancake with green onion. That is great combination. The taste is so soft and a little bit oily. So good. You should try it. Great. Soju made my mouth clean, so I was able to eat more food. Some people do not like the taste of soju, but I like it. This is Korean chicken, which is called 닭강정. It is so sweet and so crispy, so anybody will love it from children to the elderly. This is octopus stick. This stick is quite chewy and I can taste fire flavor. It was my first time that I tried it. This meat is stir-fried chopped beef with sweet sauce. Really, the taste is sweet and juicy. So, let's see. 먹방. So today I traveled Jeonju Hanok village, and it was really great experience because I saw enormous Korean traditional eyesight and houses as well, and I also eat Korean traditional food include vegetarian knife noodle and Korean street food. I'm really happy to spend my day gratefully. I'm really satisfied today traveling. So overall, Jeonju Hanok village is really great places to traveling. This is all for today. So bye for now.